Hi, I'm Michelle, Master Gardener from the UConn Master Gardener Extension Program, and today I'm going to talk about managing weeds without herbicides. You'll learn the definition of a weed, what a scuffle hoe and a Cape Cod weeder are, how to use them, managing weeds, and the use of barriers. Weeds are plants growing where you don't want them to be, and then they're in competition with cultivated plants for nutrients, water, air, and space. Perennial weeds can survive over 2 years, whereas annual weeds, summer and winter weeds, will grow during the year, seed, and die. Weeds can produce thousands of seeds, which help feed the seed bank. Within an acre of soil, there can be hundreds of millions of seeds within the various depths of the soil. Once the seeds reach the top 2 inches of a soil, they have a chance to germinate. Weeds can be removed mechanically either by hand or using a tool. By hand, you have a chance of getting the entire weed out, roots and all, but then you're disturbing the soil and bringing those weed seeds back up to the surface. Using a tool, a scuffle hoe or a Cape Cod weeder, they have a bevel edge, like a knife, and they will cut the weed off at the stem, leaving the roots in the soil, which is a great pathway for water and nutrients and air to get into the ground. Barriers and mulches will help cover up any open spaces in your soil, retain moisture, and smother weeds. Examples of organic mulches are grass clippings that do not have any herbicide in them, straw, wood chips, pine needles. Some people use plastic which can be porous, like the woven fabric, or non-porous. Cover crops can be used planted in the fall. They'll prevent weeds from germinating throughout the winter and in the spring, and when they die, they'll add nutrients to the soil. I hope you found this helpful. Please contact your local Master Gardener for any further information or questions you may have at mastergardener.uconn.edu or via phone. Enjoy your garden.